Man, it's bad today. Hi, I'm Grant. So today is obviously a super red day. It's February 23rd, 2021. The market is down. Bitcoin's down another 10% from yesterday. I'm down hundreds. I'm bleeding. So what's going on today? Why is the market down, and what should you do? So the market's down today preemptively because we expected Jerome Powell to basically say that we're going to be seeing a lot of inflation, and that wasn't the case. Jerome Powell actually spoke not too long ago today, and Jerome Powell basically said that we're not going to be seeing any kind of inflation until we get the unemployment problem under control and achieve maximum employment. This means that we're not likely to be seeing any kind of major significant inflation for at least the next 18 months, not at least, but like around, at earliest, the next 18 months. So what does this mean? What should you do? Well, if you're on margin, it's probably not a good time to be holding that margin right now. Now, this is not financial advice for legal reasons, but I'm just saying I would not want to be holding margin when the stock market is dropping like this. It's a serious drop, and you could be margin called, and that would not be pretty. If you have a cash account, I would actually just recommend holding because, well, the stock market went lower because people were expecting bad news from Jerome Powell, but J. Powell just came out and said, hey, we're not going to see any significant inflation anytime soon. So I'm actually expecting some kind of market recovery. Which I know, like I just said, like you wouldn't want to be holding your margin, but you know, the market could go up or down, and honestly, I wouldn't want to be holding any margin anyway, because that's the easiest way to get, screwed. And how can I talk about the margin crashing without talking about Bitcoin? So Bitcoin is down from a high of 58,000, and it went all the way down to 40,000, which is super concerning if you have weak baby hands. See, I'm still super bullish on Bitcoin. I still think Bitcoin's going to reach an astronomically high number by the end of the year, but even if we do see a bear market and it goes on for months and months and months, I don't think this is the end for Bitcoin. I think that if you got in at 58,000 and you were that unlucky guy, I actually got in a little bit at 56,000. I decided to buy a little bit more. But if you decided to buy in at 58,000, I don't think that money's gone forever. I think that if you just hold through, and you should be able to see it by the end of the year. Again, not financial advice, I could be entirely wrong here, but every time the Bitcoin has been doubted against, it has come back strong. What's my plan? Well, thankfully, I didn't have any margin out. I had a lot of money in the S&P 500, and that's not looking very good right now. But actually, it's starting to make a recovery ever since Jerome Powell's message came out. Now, I could be completely wrong, and it could dump again tomorrow, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to be holding through my positions. And my Bitcoin, even though it looks bad. Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update because the market is crashing, and now that I'm running a finance channel, this looks like something that I should be talking about. If you got any kind of value whatsoever from this video, be sure to give it a like. Be sure to invest in the subscribe button because it's guaranteed to increase in value over time. And don't forget to get your free stock with Robinhood. Robinhood is an investment platform that literally lets you buy stocks, options, and cryptocurrency in the easiest way possible. It's completely free to use, completely free to put money in, completely free to withdraw, completely free to make trades, completely free to buy crypto. So, honestly, I would take advantage of these prices. If you have cash laying around and, like, everything's down right now, this is buying time. This is time to buy the companies where you are convicted that they are going to be doing great over the next 10 years. Not financial advice, for legal reasons, but it's buying time. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.